To open a new website link in a specific tab, click and hold a link in the address bar of the Chrome, then drag it to an already open or inactive tab. To automatically open a specific website daily or on each browser launch, right-click on the tab and select Pin. If you want Chrome to save your current tabs and opened sites, go to Chrome Settings and click on Startup and select Continue where you left off. When you launch the Chrome next time, browser will open tabs with exact same website pages. This is my favorite option. To open same website page in multiple tabs, right-click on a tab and then select Duplicate option. To quickly find a specific website among lots of open tabs, click this arrow button on top right and then search. To restore a mistakenly closed tab or window in Chrome browser, press Ctrl and Shift keys and keep pressing T on Windows keyboard until you restore all tabs and window. To create new tab group in Chrome, right-click any tab and then select Add tab to new group option. Choose name and color of the tab group. To close, ungroup and move tab group, right-click on the tab group. Watch next videos for more browser tips.